I wanted to share with you guys what you can plant in the month of June. There are several things that you can start right now so that way you can have a harvest in a few months or in a few weeks. As you can see, obviously I provided the list. And this list, you can basically either buy them as seeds and plant them, or seedlings like I've recommended in the past, just because if you don't have patience, like I don't have patience, I like to see something growing sooner rather than later. This next topic is about what you can propagate from scraps in your kitchen or from items that you've purchased and you have seeds from. So I wanted to share that obviously this image shows you some of them, but there's so many more, like pineapple, there's the sweet potatoes on there, the avocado's not on there, scallions, the carrots are on there, apples you can do from a seed, ginger you can do as well, romaine lettuce, and celery. So there's so many things that you can do so that you can start your own vegetable garden just with things that you've purchased.